everyone. Welcome to my channel, For the Love of Beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I am here to give you guys a review. This company reached out to me, and the name of the company is Tivisiy. And I'll put the name down below, Tivisiy. Yes, they reached out to me, and I went on their website, and I was able to choose what item that I would love to have. So I picked my items, and here I am to do the review. So when you shop Tivisiy, you're going to put in Happy D 15 in order to get 15% off. Yes, you will get 15% off if you put in Happy D 15. So let me show you the packaging. It has on the back High Park, and it says give animals a home. So I'm going to show you the items that I picked out. Very nice packaging, and it does come with a card here. This is what the card looks like, and it says, okay, y'all, since the wording is so small, I had to put on my light on my phone so I can read it to you guys. It says, who are we? High Park is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet as well as wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we committed giving to nonprofit organizations to help make this planet a better place. Better planet, better life. We are on our way. Thank you for supporting High Park and supporting our planet. All righty, that's what the card says. So when you order, you will get a card like this in your packaging. So it is very well packed, and what I picked out is a cross. Let me take it out of here. Okay, this is very beautiful, y'all. This is what I picked out. Okay, inside this box, of course, this and a remote control. I explained that in a few minutes. Let me set this aside. Okay, this is a 3D wood piece, stacked wood, 3D artwork of Jesus Christ, and it is very detailed, y'all. Look at the cross here. Look at that. Cross. Jesus Christ has stars. Cross here. Cross down here. And it also has like Jesus Christ carrying the cross. Little buildings right up in here. Has a dove here. And it has like it has thieves here on the cross up here, thieves, the two thieves. Trying to see what else, y'all. It has Jesus Christ kneeling here Like I said, carrying the cross. Stars. And it has, trying to see what it says up to the top, INRI. Can't make that out. I hope y'all can, if you can see what that says up here, just list it down below. I think INRI. So this is with the light to it. So you can also order pieces without the light. You can plug it up to your computer, or you can find a box plug to plug it in. So I'm going to show you in a little bit what it looks like, okay? So I love this. So the minute that I saw it, I had to get it. But they have many others, like butterflies, elephants, they have love signs, and you can also gift these. So for this, I am going to keep it. I am not going to gift it. It was sent to me to do a review, and I picked it out, and I love it, y'all. I love it. Look at the wooden details. Stacked wood. And it's very light. It's not heavy at all. You can either, you know, get a little hook. You can hook it up on your wall. You can put it on your shelf. However you want to do it. You can order it with the lights, or you can order it without the lights. Okay, I had chose mine, you know, with the light because I want to see it light up. All right, and my next packaging. Oh, here's the remote control. The remote control come with it as well, to dim it or to make it as bright, or I don't know if it changes colors, but we're going to see after this. Okay, then my next packaging, y'all, is some earrings, and it has the same card. And did I order another? Yes, I did. I'm sorry, y'all. I did order another one. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, I forgot, y'all. I did order another one with the lights. I'm sorry. I did order another one. I forgot. I thought I ordered, you know, more earrings, but that's okay. I ordered another one, and this is of a puppy dog. Yes, this is of a puppy dog. Look at the wooden 3D puppy dog. This is so cute, y'all. It has a person with a dog, has trees, has a bear. Almost like they're in a park. Has like a gate. Yeah, almost like they're at a park. So this is a dog with bears and a person in it. Has people in it. Ooh, y'all look at this. Look at the detail of it, the 3D detail. Look at the little dog face. And this is also with the lighting. Okay, let me see. So this one didn't come with the remote control. So I think the other one, well, we'll see. We'll see. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Like I said, you can also get a little hook if you want to hang it up on the wall, or just put it on your shelf. Then I ordered some earrings. That's what it looks like. This is pretty much of a honeycomb with little bees on it. Okay. Let me open it up. These are some pretty earrings, y'all. Look at here. Honeycomb with bees on it. Look at that. Look at that. Cute. Wooden earrings. Wooden honeycomb earrings with silver little bees. Trying to put it in my ear. Y'all like that? It's cute. All right, now y'all need to go on over and check out Tivisiy. Go on over to their website, and if you see anything you like, go ahead and purchase, and be sure to use Happy D 15 in order to get 15% off. Okay? So let me light these up and show y'all what it looks like, okay? Okay, y'all, I am here in my living room. I turned out the lights, and I wanted to show y'all the colors in this cross. It did come with the remote. You can change it to many colors like red, white, blue, green, whatever color you want to change it to. Isn't it beautiful, y'all? Look at that. I am loving it. So this changes in many colors. And let me show y'all the dog. So I don't know if it's just one color, but I know this one is in many colors that you can change it to. All right, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this is the dog, and this only has one color. You can leave it off, or you can turn it on. It just only had one color, which is white. Y'all, this is beautiful. This can also be a nightlight for your kids' room, your room, whatever you choose to put this at. So be sure to shop Tivisiy using Happy D 15. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos. Thank you so much, and be blessed. Bye-bye.